Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer a OneDrive video from one account to another one. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the Home section, Gallery. Here you're going to find the OneDrive folder and so on. So right now, go ahead and right click on the OneDrive folder and then right here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab and so on. And here you're going to find the option to always keep it on this device, free of space. And lastly, here you're going to find some OneDrive options. So go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then here you're going to find the option to view it online. Here you're going to find settings. And lastly, right here, you're going to find the option to change the folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on view online. And this will take you to this page on the web. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find my files, recent photos, shared, and lastly, right here, you're going to find the recycle bin. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to share a video, it's pretty easy. Just go here to My Files and then search for the video you want to share. Then click on these three dots right here. Here, you're going to find all of these options. Here, you're going to find the option to preview it, share it, manage access to, delete, move to, copy to, download, rename, add to album, edit tags, and so on. Go ahead and click on the share option. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So once you're here, all you need to do, guys, is add the name of the account. If you have it on your friend list, you can also add a group or an email address. Then here, choose the permission you want to give. You can either give the permission for editing or for only viewing. And then click on send. Then you're going to be able to share the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.